Now, NIO yesterday finished trading at $6.22, up 2.47%. I mean, at market open, we saw NIO tanking, dropping like crazy, and many investors, including myself, I thought, well, maybe we'll end Friday on a red. But because of the latest fundamentals, latest news that we are reading from NIO, investors went in. There were more buyers than sellers, which shows you the blue sky that we've been talking about, to say that finally everyone is starting to see the bigger picture for NIO. I mean, who would have thought? Just on Wednesday, NIO fell or dropped by 9% after they announced a 1 billion raise market share offering, a dilution that so many of the investors were talking about on Wednesday and were angry at NIO, though NIO explained what they were going to do with the money or with the proceeds that they are going to get from the market share offering, equating to them raising around $1 billion. I mean, regardless of those kind of news, we saw NIO finishing strong on the week, because if you check the weekly chart, NIO finished the week up 3.6%. You will see that sharp fall there, that sharp drop that came after the share dilution was announced on Wednesday. But then on Thursday and Friday, we saw massive recovery, which even resulted the shares of NIO to finish even higher than the trading price it started this week trading at, which is something that is very, very good. I mean, year to date, NIO stock or NIO share price, it's up 36%. And this, my dear friends, it's something that is very, very good. And it shows us that it is a new era, it is a new dawn for NIO, for them to take even the share price to the next level. $3, forget. You are never going to see that price again, because the kind of fundamentals that NIO has right now will be the ones to propel them to take even the share price to the next level. So I am very happy. I'm excited. I like what I see. You will know that we've got now like what? Exactly 7 days to go until NIO does an official launch of their all-new ES8, which is going to take the entire EV market by storm in China, which is something that we are waiting for, or we are patiently waiting for. Otherwise, other EV stocks on Friday, you will notice that, like I said, NIO finished up 2.47%, trading at $6.22. Leo up 0.53%, trading at $24.48. Xpeng up 1.41%, trading at $20.87. Rivian down 3%, trading at $13.46. Lucid down 3%, trading at $19.28. You've got Zika down 0.78%, trading at $29.10. And last but not least, you've got Tesla up 7.36%, trading at $395.94. Tesla is the one that did the most on Friday in terms of the share price, and it's pretty good, man. It's all good, especially with looking at our very own NIO, which during the week at some point in time, the NIO stock price was down 9%. That was not good, and seeing still an overall market correcting by Friday, even the loss that we saw on Wednesday after the share dilution, even going over the price or the share price that NIO started the week trading at. It is just so crazy. It's amazing, and it shows us that indeed the blue sky is coming. A lot of people are starting to see the blue sky that we've been talking about. And look, don't get it twisted. It takes money to make money. Dilution sometimes are necessary to make sure that, of course, the efficiency of the company improves, right? Or the company becomes more efficient, which is something that we are seeing onto NIO. So NIO investors are confident. This is what the market is telling us, to say that regardless of what happened during the week, NIO investors remain very confident onto NIO, which is something that is very good, something that is exciting, and it makes me to look forward to what is coming. So yeah, man, when I saw the share price of NIO ending up 2% yesterday, I was pretty excited, especially looking at the fact that it started the market on a red, or just a couple of minutes after the market opened, tanked like crazy, go, I think, down 2%, and seeing them finishing up 2% or over 2%, it was just so good to see. There is a lot that is going to come in terms of the deliveries. There is still a lot that we are going to discuss over this weekend. So please do make sure that you hang around, you have subscribed, you have hit that notification bell, so that at least you don't get to miss the content that I drop here on this channel, because all day every day I do my best to, of course, release the videos for you guys, release new videos for you guys to let you know of the updates, recent developments around NIO, because it is important that you know that the share dilution of NIO that they announced on Wednesday did not do anything to the stock price. It did not do much harm. In fact, the NIO ended at a very better, much better share price than where it was before the market share dilution was announced, which is something that is very good, right? I mean, I like what I see. Blue sky is coming. Long term will win, and those persevering will be the ones to be rewarded. I think a lot of people are starting to realize, like I said, the potential that lies within NIO. Some of the people that sold on Wednesday after the share dilution, I'm quite certain that some of them are back onto the stock, seeing the resilience of the stock price of NIO, seeing what NIO is able to do, the performance it's able to pull with this of course, a market share offering. I'm quite certain that they are back onto the stock. Otherwise, those that are not yet back, they regret themselves as to why they sold their NIO shares or their NIO holdings or trimmed on Wednesday after the market share dilution. So, yeah, man, I just hope it's a lesson learned to everyone that you don't get to panic because of some of the news that come, right? But rather, just as long as you are up to date, you have got a good future prospects onto NIO, you'll always come alright. And one of the good ways that can be easier for you to be up to date is to subscribe onto YouTube channels like this one, where I go and do the research for you and give you the latest developments or latest updates onto NIO. So yeah, like this video, subscribe, hit that notification bell. It takes me some time. I'll see you in the next one, my dear friends. That is all from me, and God bless you all.